This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device. Enable developer options and USB debugging so transfers work. Next, download the latest Skyline APK and move compatible game files into a clear folder. Install the APK using ADB or a file manager. Grant storage and overlay permissions when prompted. Once done, open Skyline to confirm the app can see your game folder, because the emulator needs direct file access to load game assets and core modules. Now you refine how games run. Choose the proper core and create a per-game profile so settings don't clash. Tweak resolution and scaling to balance image quality and speed. Enable shader cache to reduce stutter. Set CPU thread count and GPU threading conservatively on phones to avoid overheating. Once done, test a short run, then iterate. Change one setting at a time so you can see why performance improves or drops and avoid chasing unrelated changes. You're at the finish line. Launch the game and monitor the FPS overlay and device temperature to confirm stability. Fine-tune input mapping, save state slots, and latency reductions for responsive play. If a performance issue appears, lower resolution or disable costly post-processing. If the game crashes, clear the shader cache and restart Skyline, because corrupted shaders or a bad per-game profile often cause failures. Finally, make incremental changes and keep a working backup profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.